Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. We're in downtown Cato Paphos and we're going to storm the Cato Paphos Kings Avenue Mall, and we'd like you to come with us. But before we do, let's introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the entire world, and her name is Archie.
Hello everybody! How nice to see you again and again, my rat.
And again, and she's wearing a rat again, Miss Donna. Let's follow the rear end of Stradivarius Lacoste and let's see if we can get away with it. There we go. So here we are, we're entering the Kings Avenue Mall. The first shop is Holland and Barrett, so if you want to get some drugs, that's the place for you to go, obviously. And we've got the Marks and Spencers, quite a big Marks and Spencers. This is the clothes shops. You've got a women's department, children's department, and of course the men's department. So stick with us. We've got beauty line coming up, so if you want some perfumes or some creams, that's where you would go. And then next to that, you've got Kelly's, one of Stradivarius Lacoste's favourite shops. Why? Because it likes a bit of glitter and a bit of glamour. That is for sure. Receiving?
Wow, and it's 70% off.
Oh
now.
dear. Let's keep going. Jack Jones there. Tommy Hilfiger. Quite an expensive shop. Of course, the quality and the branding is very, very good indeed. The next shop coming up is Stradivarius, and then next door to that is Bull and Bear. So that's Stradivarius. There you go. All the big names are in town. That's the Bull and the Bear. Stick with us as we keep going, storming down the Cato Paphos Mall. You see me?
Wow.
Are you living it?
So nice. I find out in you how long I haven't been in the Paphos Mall.
Well, I keep saying to you, do you want to come to the mall? And you go, no, I can't be bothered. Oh.
Yeah, are we going just through the corridor?
We're just going through the corridors. We're not going in the shops. No, I'm a very, very wise man. I'm not stupid. Well, I am actually, but I'm not that stupid. There's Zara. So you've got Zara for the girls, you've got Zara for the boys. Let's keep going. It's quite a big mall, to be honest. I understand most of the brands are familiar all over the world now. So once you enter one of these malls, pretty much you could be anywhere in the world. You've got Bershka coming up. Again, a very, very popular ladies' clothes shop. Nice and glamorous, pretty light in there. And in the middle of the promenade here area, sorry, promenade, I'm losing my English, she's stolen it. In the middle of the mall, you've got various other shops selling sunglasses, that sort of shop. You've got the Polaroid division over there, and you've got a shop selling sea salts and all that kind of thing. Look at those baseball caps over there. There's something going on for absolutely everyone. You've got a makeup shop going on. You've got the funky Buddha, there it is up there. So if you want to get some of that funky clothing, that's the place to go. And then you've got Calvin Klein, absolute superstar amongst superstars. And then you've got OVS, which again is a very, very good department store, that's for sure. So stick with us, here we go. Now, over here you've got one of the supermarkets that's in the downtown Cato Paphos Mall, and a lady talking over us again. That's the Stradivarius supermarket. And then down the very bottom coming up, you've got a very, very popular shop. It's a shop that you go into and you can't get out of it. You can only go one way, and that shop is called Jumbo. There it is. But we're not going to go in there. You see me?
I would like to go Jumbo.
She always wants to go in a Jumbo. So I warn you, if you go to Jumbo, you're going to be in there for a couple of hours. You'll start off thinking you're going to spend €1, and you'll end up spending 100. There we are. Whoa, it's one of our Gumbarus, Balloon Mafia. There she is. And that's the shoebox. And then you've got the, how do you say that? McCain. So that's a very, very upmarket shop indeed. In fact, I quite like that Stradivarius booth. For the winter, that would be very, very nice indeed.
This one?
Yes.
Very nice indeed.
Yes. Yeah. But I'm a wise man. There's no price in the window. So let's keep going, that's for sure. Now, we've got a sports shop here. It's called Number 10. There it is. So if you want a nice pair of trainers or something like that, there's one they're featuring in the window there. That's the place for you to go. Now, Stradivarius Lacoste, her eyes are absolutely everywhere because she's found this shop. Do you like that shop?
I like.
Look at that. Wow. That's a nice blouse, to be honest. Very, very nice indeed.
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 Yeah.
Next door to that, how do you say that?
Intimissimo. This is when intim is going on. It's mostly in the bedroom of everyone of us adults. And then
let's stop now.
Intimissimo.
Let's stop now.
Up and down underwear for the balcony and veranda.
Our man from Rotherham. There's a view for you. Very, very nice indeed. Hi. She's got some salts and they rub it into your skin and it cleans all the pores. Great idea, but it's quite expensive. There we are. Sugar Free is here as well. A very popular worldwide brand. And then you've got Guess. Well, we understand that's a very nice brand. There you go for our man from Rotherham. A very nice view indeed.
You mean the balconies?
Yes. He's requested it a few times. Stick with us. We've got Mango on the left. That is a very popular shop indeed. Receiving a booth is popping in here. She's seen something that she likes. Oh, she's into green at the moment. It's a very nice. Ooh. There we are. You like that?
Yeah.
You look quite nice in those, I think, to be honest.
I know. I would suit them. Not they will suit me. I will suit them.
You will suit them. There we are. That's a bit big-headed. Right, go on. Let's keep going. We've got a big mall to get round of and not a lot of time, and we understand that somewhere there's security. There you go. See these? That's an underwear shop. A great shop indeed. Have a look at that. Dave Jono, especially for you. A man all dressed in black. There we go. Stick with us.
Among these girls, it was a boy also. Dave Jono is not.
Exactly. Now, how'd you say that one, Giuseppe? Atrevivo. There we are. I'll rename it. There we are. Some nice outfits in the windows, and they're called the Game Changers. Very nice indeed. We're in that funny season now. We are transgressing from the late summer into the early autumn. Makeup shop called MAC, and then of course you've got the famous underwear brand known as Triumph. That's a British brand, obviously, so you want to pop in there. You're going to get some very good quality underwear. Perhaps not that sexy, but very good quality indeed.
And I can smell some dumplings or the...
Cooking upstairs. It's not pumpkins, that's for sure. Upstairs there is a food gallery, and that's where we're going to go next. And we're going to take you out to show you the coffee shops and have a great view out of the back. This shop is Massidito, however you say it. How do you say it?
Massimo Dutti.
Right. It's the upmarket place that's known as Zara. That's what it actually is. So stick with us. That was the security guard. She hasn't got a clue what the hell's going on. There we are. Accessorize, that's our. If you want some sunglasses or that special hat, that's where you would go. And then this one is the, how do you say that one? Harales. A very upmarket shoe shop and handbag shop. A lot of nice products in there, that's for sure. So stick with us, we're going to keep going. How do you say that shop?
This one?
Yes.
1.4.
See, even she's struggling.
It's in French, by the way. Perfume.
Perfume, apparently. Let's have a look. There we are. I don't think she's right. But there's a very nice colourful top, that's for sure. See Receiving La Bouche strutting the promenade wearing that.
Well, it's in French. I don't know French.
No? And here's a great name for a shop. There can't be a better name for a shop than that. The Crocodile. Have a look at that. Wow. A shop that sells upmarket handbags and shoes for the ladies. And of course, on the other side, it sells upmarket flip-flops and upmarket men's shoes and a rather nice baseball hat in blue. I like that hat. Isn't that nice? Very nice hat indeed. I can smell the quality. Oh.
That one with the red behind.
Yes, I understand. Very similar to those.
Oh, mine are all.
Very
I'm
similar.
gonna cry.
Yes, there we are. Stick with us. We're going to exit the kind of Paphos Mall. How do you say that one, Receiving the Booth?
Bamississima. It's like Bella.
That's an upmarket Italian shop. Anyway, NYX. That is a makeup shop. And as we come out, how do you say that one, Receiving the Booth? Nautica. Upmarket shop selling quality t-shirts and branded. And over here, you've got the Lacoste shop. There we go. Have a look at that. And we're back to the exit. Let's follow the rear end of Receiving La Bouche. And hopefully we're going to get a very good goodbye. Well, there we go. That's the lower level of the downtown Paphos Mall. It's known as the King's Avenue Mall. Why is that? Because that is King's Avenue over there. And that crossing the road over there is the Paphos Skywalk. If you go down that road where the black taxis going, you're going to get down to Paradise, and that Paradise is, well, the Gate of Paphos Promenade and Harbour area. Proceed, Labu.
I can't believe it, Mr. Paul. It's not fair. You did go me around these old shops and you didn't buy me anything. I didn't even understand what where I was.
It's called a whirlwind.
But when?
Soon.
Oh, okay. But I mean, yeah, we just flew away around the shops. But it was so nice thing. That pair of shoes, it was only 140 euros. I would like to thank you for watching, and I know today Mr. Paul's wallet already done his plan for today, and I'm not gonna get anything anymore except one little portion of food, maybe mashed potatoes or chilled potatoes, something like this, if I'm liking. I would like to tell you many thanks for watching. It was a lovely, cool area in the mall. You should come and visit it. Many thanks for your time and support, and we are loving you today. And please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses.
All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching. Of course, if you do like what you see, come back in another episode, and guess what? We're going to storm the upstairs of the Cato Paphos Kings Avenue Mall. Thanks for watching.